The test, I'm going to ask you some questions about yourself. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready to go.
Tell me something about yourself.
So my full name is Shomrat Bhuyan and my family always call me Shomrat and I'm originally from Mohammadpur and I'm 22 years old. So.
All right, Mr. Shamrat, how many members do you have in your family?
There are two family members I have, me and my mom, because I lost my father when I was so young. So that's why me and my mom. I don't have any
Oh.
brother and sister.
Thank you. How do you usually spend your weekends?
I usually spend my weekends to go outside to explore some new things. Like in my village, if I say, there are a lot of famous places here. Like if I say the Riverside, whenever I get a weekend, me and my mom go this place and explore some new things and try some new local cuisine. So I really like to go outside.
Thank you. How often do you go to restaurant? With whom do you love to go there?
Oh, okay. So I would like to go restaurant with my friends, and occasionally I would like to go my moms and my family members because when I go to my university at the time, me and my friends will go restaurant and we are gossiping together. Like we take some coffee and some tea, and we are gossiping together. And whenever I get more free times, I would like to go with my mom because she's my best friend.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Shamrat. What you have got on your neck?
Sir, this is a medal. This is an attendance medal. It's a 100% attendance medal I got today. So I'm very excited to get this. So finally, I got this, sir. I'm very happy to see.
Okay, and what is this?
So this is my certificate. I have completed my basic journey. So I'm very happy to got this, sir.
May I see your certificate?
Yes, sir, sure. Yes.
Here is the certificate he has got today, and as well as perhaps you have got your book.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, okay, could you tell me what's the story behind the book?
So behind the book, so if I say I really want to get this book and I'm trying to best how do I get this book, and I'm trying my best every day. I practiced a lot, and after that finally I got this book, and I'm very happy to got this book, sir. And always, sir, I'm following you, and you are my best, if I say you are my best inspirations. And always I saw on the social media, and I always wanted to, sir, is it possible to, sir, give me, and this is my dream, one kind of dream. So finally I fulfill my dream, sir. I'm very happy to get this, sir.
Thank you so much. So, Mr. Shamrat, he has done today his level 4 exam. Very soon he will shift for IELTS program. So, he has got certificate, and as well as he has got 100% attendance award. That means he didn't miss any single class, and as well as he is the best performer of the batch. That means in level.
Yes, sir.
Which level?
So 3 level.
Level 3. He is the best performer. Thank you so
Yes,
much,
sir.
and congratulations.
Thank you,
So,
sir.
could you tell me how was the journey in English fantasy with you?
So if I say English fantasy, I saw this English fantasy from Facebook, and I saw there are a lot of people's success, their life, like everyone got 7.5 band score, and I really wanted to come this place. And I said to my mom, I wanted to go this place. This place is amazing. Everyone got 7.5 and also 8. And my mom gave me permission to go. Yeah, you may go. I'm with you. So that's why I'm here. And every teacher, if I say it's a teacher, they are very friendly. And I would highly recommend, please come in this institute. They provide us really well teaching system. If I say the teacher and my mentor, if I say my mentor name is Shwan sir. He's absolutely friendly person, and I say to and I'm very happy to hear. I'm very happy to come in this place, and I learn a lot of things. First time I was here, I feel very shy. That time sir say, no worries, you come in the stage, and if you say something about yourself. So that time I was feeling very shy, and I don't properly say anything. So, but sir pushed me. You just say 1 or 2 words. No worries, no need to. Yeah, if without mistakes we can't learn anything, because mistakes are part of our life. So if you make mistakes, you learn what doesn't work, and we get a chance to reflect it again and adapt again. Without mistakes, we can't improve our English level, or we can't improve our skills. So I'm very happy to hear, and every teacher is very calm and very good. They have a good manners. So I'm very happy, sir. Honestly, if I say.
Thank you so very much. English fantasy is a place where you are highly allowed to make mistakes. If you don't make any mistakes, you never to learn anything in your life. So mistake is part of our life. আমাদের শিক্ষার্থীদেরকে আমরা অনেক বেশি ইন্সপায়ার করি ভুল করার জন্য, কারণ স্টেজে এসে ইংলিশে কথা বলা ইটস টু চ্যালেঞ্জিং। প্রথম দিকে এরা অনেক বেশি ভুল করে, তাদেরকে আমরা মোটিভেট করি ভুল করার জন্য। কোনো একটা সময় তারা তাদের ভুলটা নিজেই বুঝতে পারে, তখন তাদের ভুলটা আস্তে আস্তে করে কমে যায়। কারণ আপনি যদি চিন্তা করেন আমি একদম 100% পিওর ইংলিশ শিখবো, 100% প্রথম দিকে 100% কোনো ভুল করব না, তখন আপনার এই 100% ভুল বলার সময়টা জীবনেও না আসতে পারে। সেই জায়গা থেকে আপনার স্টার্টিং আপনার ভুল হবে, আপনি পারবেন না, আপনার হাত কাঁপবে, পা কাঁপবে, তারপরও ইউ হ্যাভ টু ক্লিং আপ, ইউ হ্যাভ টু স্টার্ট ইউর জার্নি। So this is the beauty of English fantasy. আমাদের সম্রাট, he has done only 2 months course. After 2 months, can you imagine how much fluent he is? He is really super fluent speaker. I expect from you, Mr. Shamrat, 8 in IELTS exam.
Inshallah, sir.
Your immediate brother, Mr. Tonmoy, he has got 8. Have you seen?
Yes, sir. I said this.
Okay. So I expect so 8.
Inshallah, sir.
I'll take your interview again.
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir. I'm ready to take.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Good
much,
time.
sir.